Hey guys, UK Pokemon here with part 2 of the Korean Hail Blizzard booster box. Next 5 packs, I'm doing 15 and UK Pokepower Jr. is doing 15, so make sure you stay tuned to his channel to see his videos when they come out. See what he got. I just have a feeling I probably did the same thing that I did last time, and he ended up with all the awesome cards. Because in my first part, if you saw that, I didn't actually get any holos or anything, so... Vanillite, Pidove, Sneasel, Cryogonal, and Petilil, or Lilligand, or something to that effect. Pack 2 is nice and quick because the packs are opening quite nicely, and I'm just getting through it. Hippopotas, Vanillite, Riolu, Unfezant, and aha! There we go, my first holo, a Gardevoir holo. Look at the sparkle on that holo. I don't know if you... There, look at that. I think it looks so much nicer than that line holo. Beautiful. 3 more. Hopefully I can get at least one of the EXs. Be very sad if I don't. A Vanillite, Bronzor, Pikachu, Hippowdon, and Beartic. Just can't hold on to things today, can I? Pidove, Litwick, Petilil, Sawsbuck, and Unfezant. And the last pack for this video. Don't think it's going to contain anything good. Oh well. Bronzor, Ralts, Vanillish, Simisage, and Bronzong. Right, so there you go, guys. I've got 1 holo so far, which is really unfortunate. Means Junior's going to have everything good again. So, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you for the final part of my half of the opening. Bye!